Hi America, you're cooking with Mother Abby. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be making a chicken salad sandwich. And basically what I did was I had a chicken that I cooked. It was a roast chicken. And I wind up cutting it up, putting it in a bowl with the celery. I got mayonnaise and I got onions in here. So let's get started, guys. And I'm going to add a little relish to it. To actually, I'm just trying to chop it up. This is going to be enough relish. Enough mayonnaise. So let me add some relish to it. I'm gonna put my relish in there. So how's everyone doing? See, this is what you do because it's just me. And I made this big old chicken. And I don't know why, but it's only me and I act like I'm cooking for a full family. But I'm not. So, okay. Now I got 2 boiled eggs. I'm gonna put 2 boiled eggs. I'm not gonna slice them. I'm just gonna put them in here. Crumble them up, put them in. Yeah, guys. Ooh, the eggs are still kind of warm. I just took them out. They're still a little warm. Whew. Thanks for joining my channel. Actually, guys, this is like my first real video. Because I had did a few videos. I had did a video prior to this one maybe a few days ago. And what happened was, it was too long. So what I realized about YouTube, you only have if you do a video of more than 15 minutes, for me, in my case, it will take forever to download, upload, and I didn't have time for that. So, this is what it is. This part of my show will be called Fast Food with Mother Abby. Yeah. Let me turn up my oven just a little bit. Goodness, guys. I'm really trying to. Oop, oop, oop. Water almost overflew. Oh my goodness, what was I thinking? I was about to have a flood in here. Oh my Lord. Oh, that should be good enough. Okay. Give her a little more dicing. See, guys, what you have to learn to do, you have to improvise. Like in the beginning of the month, and I'm not really gonna cook a full meal into Sunday. So pretty much, basically, my show, I'll do 2 shows a week, and my main course meal will basically be on a Sunday. So, I might do fast foods during the week. So, guys, this is my first video. I'm new to YouTube, so please bear with me. Yeah, it's looking good. Now let me add some seasoning. Now see, I'm on, this is pepper. See, I'm on a no sodium diet, so I have no salt, no sodium in any of my meals. And basically what I use is Mrs. Dash. This is like a all-purpose seasoning. It's from Mrs. Dash, but I use a lot of her products. Yeah. Whew. This is gonna be great. Yeah, it's looking kind of good. But as I do more and more videos, guys, I'll tell you a little bit more about my eating plan. And because I'm on a restricted diet, and I'm on a restricted fluid. So I can only drink a certain amount per day because I am a renal patient. And for those that don't know what that means, I am a dialysis patient. So there's a lot of rules and regulations when it comes to eating and drinking as a dialysis patient. But I've been on dialysis for a number of years, so I've learned to maintain. And you can pretty much, you have to eat, what you're supposed to eat. But if you want to cheat and have something, you're allowed to cheat. We're human. Why not? Alright, let me check on my bread. My bread, it ain't all that toasted, but that's okay. Because I don't want it super toasted. I just needed it. It's not really, it's hard though. Ooh, it is toasted. It is toasted, guys. Y'all can see that. Okay. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna put some cheese. Some cheese, please. Yeah, guys. It's late. It's like 8 o'clock. I said that I'm gonna do videos earlier during the day, but a lot of times I was busy, so I couldn't. I didn't have time today. I did a lot of running around. So, but usually I'll get a little more prepared. I like a lot of cheese on my sandwiches, so. Okay, I just put it on you, honey. I'm what you call a ghetto cook. I just do it as. So I got my chicken salad. Spread her on here. I don't put a lot because I don't want it to be falling all over the place. I want it to stay in the bread so I can eat it. But yeah, I don't Okay. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. A chicken salad sandwich. Something fast, something quick, something that I'm about to enjoy. So, until I see you guys next time, take care and enjoy your evening. Bye. Okay. It's good. It's good. Bye, America. Bye.